conclude this chapter, we're going to talk about the ternary operator. This operator is used when there is a decision to be made when assigning a value or to a variable. For example, we have passerby speech from our previous tutorials set to hello. And then we're going to have our response, let's say called me, equals hi if, so we're writing the conditions in line along with the value, if passerby speech equals hello, don't forget the double equal sign, hello, or passerby speech equals hi, else hey. So what we did here, we're going to set this variable me to hi if passerby speech is equal to hello or if it's equal to hi. Otherwise, set it to hey. So let's print this out. So we're going to just do a simple print statement of me. And when we build it, I forgot the equal sign again. Don't forget the equal sign. It says hi. And if we wrote, for example, if it's nothing, then we'll get hey. So it kind of works as if condition statements, but in line along with the value. So this can also be done with numbers and other variables. So let's do a equals 3, a equals, and then after that we set a equal to 7 if 2 to the power of 3, 3 to the power of 2, that is better, is greater than 9. Else, otherwise, we get equals 14. And then we're going to print a out. So in this case, a is going to be 14 because 2 to the power of 3, 3 to the power of 2 is not greater than 9. In fact, it's just equal to 9. So we get 14. So if we change this to, for example, 3 to the power of 3, which is true, we'll get 7. So we basically reassigned a's value using the ternary operator. So to recap, ternary operator is basically assigning a value to a variable and using conditional statements like if and else and in line with the value itself in order to set it to a different value. And that concludes this chapter. Tune in next time for our next tutorial.